says he's 80-something.
Come on.
85.
85. There we go. Somebody help him down.
Exactly. Don't fall. It's a lot to
Meet him at the elevator.
If they to you,
85.
happy birthday to you.
The whole thing.
Happy birthday, dear Chris. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
I don't have to blow him out. I just
Oh, make a wish. Make a wish.
I did.
You did?
I
Awesome.
wish the wind would slow down a little bit so we can enjoy the rest of our
Okay, I hope someone got a picture because I didn't get one.
Yes.
Thank you
Alrighty
all.
then.
Thank everybody.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you for coming. 'Cause this
Thank
is
you.
not the ideal.
No, it wasn't a good day.
Still perfect.
No.
It's a perfect day.
Oh,
Aw. Did you get that on the video?
yeah,
Oh, good.
of course.
There we go.
That's good.
One more kiss. Come on, one more kiss.
Close.
I love you.
How come you taste like chocolate cake?
I love